Hi, and welcome to a quick overview of the Digimasters Visual Analytics Project Estimator, or VAPE for short. For anyone not familiar with the Project Estimator, they're tools that utilize the experiences of past successes and failed projects in order to improve predicting how much effort is required to deliver a scope of work. At Digimasters, we developed a web application that allows project managers, scrum masters, developers and contractors to do a very quick estimate for projects developing either large complex visual analytics applications or creating dashboards using your preferred data visualization tool such as Qlik, Tableau, Microsoft PowerBI and Looker. Accurate estimates are a key to creating a realistic project timeline and budget. No project should be kicked off without an estimate which has been validated by experts. Our estimate allows anyone with little or no experience to create a top-down estimate based on keying in simple scope items such as the number of charts or KPIs required, how many apps are being built, and if the project is a proof of concept or a productionized solution. We have also created a more detailed guide to the estimator, which goes through all of the components, calculations and terminology used, and I strongly recommend that you watch that video before trying the free demo. If you're a developer or contractor looking for a tool to help you estimate and justify your own estimates, then this is a personal service for you. If you're a team or a large organization, then we have an enterprise option which includes collaboration features and allows your solution architects, project managers and scrum masters to work together on estimates for RFPs, bids, internal projects and many other use cases. Don't wait to find out that your £50,000 project is actually £100,000. Use our estimator to create your initial effort and budget plans and build confidence in your development team and project stakeholders that everyone has been set up for success. If you'd like to know more about this estimator or any of our Digimasters other demos or applications, then sign up now or click the link in the description.